So I was kind of came to see the sight, and I'm enjoying the sunset. If you can see there are windmills. Yeah. Okay. Not so good, but not so bad. The sunset is pretty good. Yep. If you can see this is a काय रे distillery factory. So here you can see this is Mali, where it is. Yeah, if you can see this black, yeah, this black shit thing. Let me zoom. Yeah, this black shit thing is a Mali, and they take over there and they just do some process, and yeah, daru banवतात त्याच्यापासून. So yeah, and just over here we have our sugarcane factory. So November to March, Bambod is like Delhi. Foggy fog. उसमें सिर्फ गैस होता है, हमारे में पानी नहीं होता. Some nice people kept here some water and some rice grains. Yeah. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 2 over there. Yeah, we have 8 coconut trees. Nariyal pani hai panch. If you see these mountains, these, this is Masai Patar. So yeah, I can see it from my house. I'm that lucky. And over there, if you see this one, the top of the mountain, that's the Panara. Yeah, I can see both of them. If you think I came to desert, you are wrong. This is Mari. Yeah, they doing it and making that black niga. Yeah, this is now American Mari. Yeah. Yo, let's go. EV नाहीये, ढकलाय पाहिजे. ऐक चालू करूया. एक मिनिट. Let's go. फक्त इतना मला सांभाळून नाही पाहिजे, कारण दगड खूप आहेत वाया. यो, let's go. Okay. रस्ता कसला आहे मर्दा, बघा रस्ता बघा. नारळाच्या दरवाजात जाते आपण. जायला 10 वर्ष झाली, एवढी झाड आहे ती. लेट्स गो. बस ह्यो सुंदरमय रस्ता, हे सुंदरमय शेत, आणि मी सुंदरमय, एकदम मस्त. आणि ह्यो आमचा सुंदरमय पाजलेला तलावा. इतकं स्वच्छ की भाई साहब, किती स्वच्छ पाणी आहे रे. गड्डी विच पार्किंग लगा के जाएंगे अभी हम ऊपर.